we are going to learn quadratic equation using MS Excel. From the school point of view, it's algebra chapter, and largely it is also used in statistic and Lean Six Sigma and quadratic equations and all that. And then let's solve three different equation. First equation we have x equal to x, sorry, y equal to x squared. The second equation we have x equal to, sorry, y equal to x cube. Third equation we have y equal to x minus 5 whole the power 2 minus 5. Let's solve it. So whenever we want, we can start typically with minus 3 all the way to plus 3. Or now here I'm doing it, I'm just starting with something minus 6. So the curve get better and all that, right? So more data, more precision. So let's start with minus 6 and then minus 5. What I will do, I will just select these two and then simply drag this value. So this is one. Now we are going to solve y equal to x square. So x square mean, so the same thing. How, by the way, how to write that x square or x cube in Excel? For example, let's say this is x square. X square, how we can write? You can just select 2, control 1. It will open the format cell and superscript. Similarly, x cube, how we can write? Example, you just type x cube, just select 3, control 1, and then give this one. Okay, let's learn this one. So how to apply in formula? To apply in formula, x, we're talking about a square. So we can just put the cap 2. So 6 square is 36 and then dragging it up. You got the result. Similarly, x cube, right? This value, cap 3. Just drag it up. We know every odd values will have, it will return the minus value, it will return as minus, and plus value, it will return as plus. Okay. So now we are going to solve this equation equal to x minus 5, or 5 is going to be constant, and the power 2 minus 5. So both 5s are constant. So I'm just dragging it here and randomly I'm checking it one of the values. So x0 minus 5 minus anything is 0 the power 2 is again 0 minus 5. So the answer is correct. So the 0 and 0 to the power 5, and then yeah, it's correct. So let's solve that now. One more time we'll check that expression. So x minus 5, and then you have, and then similarly you can check here, minus 5 whole the power 2. Yeah, this is correct. Minus 5, 25, and 25 minus 5 is 20. Correct. Yeah. So let's solve that and drop the graph. So go to insert and go to recommended chart. You very beautiful chart it has come, right? Very, very beautiful chart. And this is quadratic one. Maybe what I will do, I will just keep it here, and it has come very beautifully, right? So, and then if you still want to change it, you can go to scatter, and then if you want like this, you can change. If you want a little bit slight, you can like proper curve, you can get it, right? So, and then if you want to change like this or like this, you'll be able to change. But one thing what I will do is that I will just introduce the, I'll just format and then change the marker line, right? So just go to the format, marker, and in the marker, I'm gonna keep it something like uh, I mean, something is triangle. I'm just giving it and just keep it here. Yeah, and then if you want to change the color, I'll make it like different color. I'll keep it this color as, I'll change it to orange. You can see that this has come very beautifully. And still, if you wanted to change any other things, you will be able to change. This is all about, let's add that chart title. So chart title we have added. So this is all about X. So now what I will do, I will just keep it aside. I'll just, what I will do, because we do need it to, we need this chart to recap. What I will do, I'll double click on this, go to format, do not move with size. So I'll just keep it here. Right now, I'll keep it aside. Let's go to the next one. Now I'm going to take this, control this. These two data I selected. Now I'm gonna do it this one. So this is, you can see here, the equation has completely changed. One, this is cubic expression. So in the cubic expression, you can see again, once again, if you want to change things, you will be able to change. So I'm okay with the marker. And once again, this is cubic expression. So once again, if you want to do formatting, remove the grid lines, all that you will be able to do. Double click on this and then keep it as do not move with size. This is also done. Now I will keep it next to this. This also I will keep it like orange color. Yeah, sorry. I have selected only one. So what I will do, I will just select the entire trend line. In the trend line, I'm gonna give orange color. Let's say we don't need this. Yeah, this is done. So cubic expression is also done. Okay. The last one, what we have is this one. Just take this two column, go to insert, go to recommended chart, and you can see here, of course, you can go to recommended first one. Okay, it suggests that the curvature is coming like this. So what I will do, I will just increase the data set. Maybe what I will do, I will just give it like 10. Let's see how it goes. Okay, and what I will do, I will just come back here, data one. In the data, so I will increase it to 26. Okay, once again, I will do it one more time. So I have not edited properly. So select this data set, select this data set, and then go to insert, recommended chart, and this is coming better, right? Slightly better. Still, if you wanted to make it better, still you can just keep increasing that one. You will automatically will be able to do. For example, let's say I'm just increasing it here. So only one side we are increasing it. Maybe what I will do, I will also will increase on the other side also as well. This side minus 7 minus 8 also we can do, or just giving it as much as possible. Let's say I'm just giving up to 18 and then dragging this value here. So the same formula will get applied. Now you see this data, all I can do is that I can just stretch this value here and just stretch this value here. So it is proper curvature quadratic equation we have got it. I hope you have learned this quadratic equation. We have solved this equation, and then we have also solved the cubic one, right? And this is square one, and this is cubic one. I hope you find it useful. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. You have wonderful day ahead.